Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated 1st November 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASEL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty 50's analysis for for yesterday and for the past few days as well. As you can see, Nifty had a positive opening but made a downside reversal very close to the 100 DMA resistance that got. But the good thing is that Nifty was able to hold the recent lows that it made on last Thursday, and it held its lows for 1, 2, and 3 consecutive days. So right now we are in a rally attempt. So from downtrend to we are uh, the market status has shifted yesterday from a downtrend to rally attempt. And from here, we'll require a follow-through day in FTD to take the market from rally attempt to a confirmed uptrend. Going forward, this pink line that is the 100 DMA, the green line that is the 21 DMA, and the red line that is the 50 DMA, reclaiming of this line becomes really important. And I mean, once these lines, once these resistance gets reclaimed and an FTD happens, you will go, the market will go to a confirmed uptrend. And but uh, uh, once this happens, and reclaiming them with good volumes becomes really important. But why? Because there are certain macro events that is expected to happen. That is one that is expected to happen tonight is the Fed funds meet, and uh, market is expected to remain muted. Market is expected to remain jittery there. So if the outcome of the meeting kind of remains positive, then there is high chances then certain key moving averages can get reclaimed. However, if the market rejects what happens with the meeting, or within the decisions happened at the meeting, then even the recent lows can go down. And if that happens on the downward side, then market will go back to a downtrend. Talking about key news, LT, that is Larsen& Toubro, came up with a fantastic set of results, and the Q2 FY24 result was a beat on the estimate. PAT increased 44.3% YOY, revenue increased 19.3% YOY. EBITDA margins, however, contracted 50 pips YOY, but was still above the estimates. Order inflows, as you can see, continues to remain robust, and it increased 72% YOY to 89,153 crores. International orders, the share of international orders in the total pie has increased to 35% in the consolidated order book. Tata Consumer again was a super result, as you can see, was a beat on the estimates. PAT increased 1.2% YY, revenue increased 12% YY, EBITDA margins expanded 150 bips YY to 14.4%. Uh, Other news are SBI Card launched Reliance SBI Card in collaboration with Reliance Retail. Navin Fluorine, the results were pretty dismal. As you can see, it was a miss on all the front, and revenue increased 12.5% YY, and EBITDA margins contracted 150 basis points, 20.9%. Lupin, on the other hand, got an establishment inspection report EIR from the United States Food and Drug Administration for its Mandideep Unit 2 manufacturing facility. The inspection closed with the facility receiving an inspection classification of no action indicated. Talking about global market update, US markets, all the three indices continued to scale higher. The three indices closed higher by 0.4, 0.7, and 0.5% respectively. Even today, what's different is that the Asian markets are also trading higher. and Nika is trading higher by 2%, Kospi by 1%, and Shanghai by 0.1%. Here, Gift Nifty is indicating a positive opening. Yesterday's close was around 19,079, and Gift Nifty is indicating a positive opening by around 55 points at this moment. I mean, as we are in rally attempt, but I mean, this can be only used, I mean, as a watch list at this moment, and not a buy or sell recommendation because we are in a rally attempt at the moment. Buy switch is not turned on, FTD is not yet there. But I mean, as the market is in rally attempt, we can continue to scout for good stocks that are forming right hand side of the basis to keep these stocks in our watch list, to keep these stocks in front of our eyes. So when probably market reverses uh, and moves above the key moving averages, gives us an FTD or the buy switch gets turned on, then these are the stocks that are expected to break out successfully. And when they do, and when even the markets become supportive, I mean, we can t- take action on these stocks when the market becomes supportive again. So if you look at the last few days when the markets have started to move higher, the stock has started to move higher on above average volume. That is, the stock is showing signs of accumulation. RS line is also moving higher. All the ratings are good. EPS strength at 94, price at 74, and buyer demand is also good. Uh, Fund holding for the stock is also improving. ROE of 17% is very good. And even the last few quarter results for the stocks have been very good. Stage count for the stock is 2. So, and the stock is 4% to pivot. So, this gives us an opportunity that when, uh, if in the coming times the market gives us an FTD going forward and the stock breaks out an above average volume, it can be a good stock to watch out for at that. Um, so, thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.